In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an estimate into an invoice and send it to your customer. Before we begin, a quick note on timing and accuracy. Converting an estimate is ideal once your customer has approved the scope and pricing. After conversion, many systems lock the estimate to preserve a clear audit trail, so it's worth confirming the details as you go. With that in mind, let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, click Estimates. This takes you to the list of all estimates in your account. If your list is long, use any filters or search to quickly find the one you're ready to bill. It helps to glance at the status column. Make sure you're selecting the approved or accepted estimate and not a draft or an outdated version. Next, open your estimate. Click into the specific record so you can see all the line items, quantities, and any notes you included for the customer. Take a moment to confirm this is the exact document you intend to convert. If you spot a minor typo or missing detail, this is your last, best chance to fix it within the estimate itself, depending on your platform's rules. Now, click Convert to Invoice, or in some systems, Create Invoice. The wording can vary, but the result is the same. Your estimate becomes a new invoice draft. Don't worry, this action does not notify the customer yet. You're simply moving from a proposal to a billable document that can be reviewed and finalized. With the draft open, review the invoice details carefully. Verify the customer or company name, billing address, and contact information. Check each line item for correct descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and taxes. Confirm discounts and subtotals carry over as expected. Look at the invoice date, due date, terms, and any reference numbers you rely on, such as a purchase order. If your system assigns invoice numbers automatically, make sure the sequence looks right. This is also a good place to ensure your footer, payment instructions, and notes to the customer are clear and professional. When everything looks correct, click Save. Saving locks in your changes, applies your preferred template, and prepares the invoice for delivery. You can usually preview the final layout here, which helps you catch any formatting issues before it goes out. Finally, click Send. Most platforms open an email window with the invoice attached or linked. You can personalize the message if needed, then confirm and send. You should see the invoice status update to Sent, and the original estimate will show as converted. That's it. Your estimate is now an official invoice on its way to your customer.